Here is how you can fill out a file on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. First of all, I would recommend you to have your iPhone running at least iOS 26 or later, because in that version, we have got a new app introduced into our phones, which is called the Preview app. And the way that it works is that you have your files stored inside of the Files app, and by default, when you click on something like a PDF or something else, it's going to open it up through the Preview app. And if not, you can just click on the Preview at the bottom. And the point is that within this application, we have plenty of ways to fill out a file. Because at the bottom, you can see we have a little button, which is like a square or rectangle with a pencil on it. So you can click on it as such. And then when you tap the plus button, you have the ability to add a text box or signature, which is ideal for filling out forms or documents. So if you had a form which you need to fill out, like let's say it's contained some kind of information, personal stuff, whatever it might be, where you need to fill it out, you're just going to click on the plus button, add a text field as such, click on it in here, double tap it, and you can write in here whatever you want. You can resize it and then perform some changes to it, but most importantly, you can move it around so you can place it in the correct box, right? And that's how you can keep on going and doing the same thing over and over again until you fill out the whole document. And also, as you can notice, when you click the plus button, we also have the ability to add a signature, which is also very useful, especially, as I said, for these formal documents which you need to sign. So yeah, that is definitely an option as well. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully will see you later in the next videos too.